Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to IT class. How are you? I think you fed up with the online examination. Okay, I hope you are safe at home. Let us start with a prayer. Oh God, let us be filled with your presence. Okay. In the previous class, you learned how to make a canvas. Okay. We made a canvas for making a poster. Then in this class we are going to learn a particular tool. Name is select by color. Okay, this is the tool and its name select by color. By using this tool we are going to make a poster. Okay, let us start. For pasting picture we need different layers. So how we can add layers here? Click on this button, new layer. Did you see? Create a new layer button. Click there and give the name, layer name. Click on OK. Then we have to find out the picture. For that, click on File, Open. Then our pictures we saved in school resources. So user, then school resources. Then select standard 9, then images, then select the logo. Okay, click on open. You can see the logo here and we are going to use this new tool. What is its name? Select by color. Okay, select by color. Then click here and select this white color. So all white color in the image it is selected. Okay, then edit, copy, click this canvas and in the layer right click, edit, paste. Its size is so small, so we need to increase its size. Which is the tool for increasing size? Do you remember? Yes, it is scale tool. Very good. Scale tool. Click on this picture and drag the handles like this. Okay. Then click on scale button. Then to remove this floating selection, click on anchor button. Did you see? Anchor. Okay. Then move this. For that, use the move tool. Move. Then just move here. Sorry. It is selection. You have to select this layer. Okay. Selection. Then move it. And again background. The next I need again one layer, so click on new layer, then here select 2 or type 2 layers name, click on OK, then same procedure we can do. File, open, user, then school resources, standard 9, images, then we need this image. Okay, click on open. So image here, then select by color, then select this black shade. Did you see? Okay, it is selected. Then see this ball not selected. So what to do? Click on shift button. Press shift and mouse. See, it is selected. Okay, then go to edit menu, then copy, then select, then layer 2, right click, edit, paste. Again same procedure, scale. Scale it. Okay. More. Okay. Then click on scale button. Okay. So to remove this floating selection, click on anchor button. Now a poster ready. Then we need to one more thing that we can do next class. Then click on file, save. We already saved in the last session. So click on file, save. Okay, so we used one tool, its name select by color. We used layers for pasting different pictures. And then if there is no toolbox, how you can select? See, you can select from here and toolbox. Okay, clear? Okay, then today's class this much only. Then Friday there will be exam. I will send some notes for you. Okay, goodbye.